Thunder Valley ATV Bug, October the 12th. Lots of bikes and people showed up. The Thunder Valley event, co-sponsored by the Power Store in St. John, New Brunswick.